Good morning, everyone.
Good
Morning,
morning,
sir.
sir. Morning, Andy, అందరికి.
Okay, so I think Mintuji is there. Mintuji, are you there?
Yes, Ram, I am here. Yes.
So Mintuji cannot understand Telugu, so that's why we talk in English. Okay. So any doubts about the screeners? First of all, what is your experience? How you are feeling about the trades we have taken? Unmute yourself and talk. వన్ బై వన్ మీరు మీ ట్రేడ్స్ ఎట్లా ఉంది? మీరు అంటే పెయిడ్ సర్వీస్ లో జాయిన్ అయ్యారు కదా అందరూ. సో ఎట్లా ఉంది మీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్? ఎట్లా అనిపిస్తుంది? సో మీ ఒపీనియన్స్ కానీ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్స్ కానీ మీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కానీ షేర్ చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఎవరెవరు ట్రేడ్ తీసుకున్నారు? రైజ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్.
I
రికమెండెడ్
have
ట్రేడ్.
only one trade actually that day. I don't know.
ఓకే,
Which
యా
one?
ప్లీజ్ షేర్ యువర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్.
That hit a stop loss. No, that one. We took. You also took same one.
హిందుస్థాన్ లివర్, రైట్?
Uh, next day I did not look at this. Next day I went to Bank Nifty again.
ఓకే.
So I am observing.
Okay. So, first of all, your experience, it was not good. That's why you.
No, no, not like that. Not like that. It's part of game. It will be
Ah,
happen. It will
so
happen.
then onward, you have been watching. Uh,
Yes.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Yeah.
That's why you have been watching, right?
Yeah, observing little bit.
Okay.
Hmm.
So, I pinged you personally, or whether in group I have posted that you must follow the rules. Whenever it hits the stop loss, you should exit.
Right.
Have you followed that?
Yes, yes, yes. I did.
Then
Hmm.
good. Okay, right.
Hmm.
So you did not take any other trades, right?
No, no, not so far. No.
Okay.
Hmm.
So next,
Others can share.
yeah. So, okay, even if you have not traded anymore, especially about the options. So what is your observation about the screeners? Mintuji.
Yeah, it's good. We can go with one lot or two lot for now. And
No. I'm not talking about the options.
uh-huh,
So we have four screeners, right? Bottom fisher, 7 days
uh,
multi-bagger,
uh,
and 1 year investment, and
uh,
option live entries or stock
mhm,
live entries, something, right? Four
yeah.
screeners we have. So from your observation, what do you say?
In 7 day that multiplier this one, no, I have taken two entries with this. I am holding.
Okay.
Okay, and I can get back to you on this next week only because it's for 7 days, right?
Okay, from your entry, whether it is
Yeah,
are you
it's going
profit
up.
or
It's in profit right now.
you are in profit? Okay.
Yeah.
So let's
Little
continue.
bit, but it's profit.
Okay.
Uh,
So whenever you get any exits indication
uh-huh.
by following your whatever the strategy you are following, so just exit, because your entry is your stop loss. In all the screeners I have provided, your
Mm.
entry is your stop loss. You follow it very strictly.
Okay,
Okay.
sure. Okay, sure.
So next, any suggestions, Mintuji?
No, not from me. Okay.
Right. Monica?
Yes, I'm audible.
Yeah. Please share your experience or any suggestions you have, and how is your trade?
My trades are very good compared to previous earlier this week. Uh, and my suggestion is that whatever the price we are exit, we should be happy with that. And even though I saw for granules, the price went up far away before the price, the exit means I exit at 4 rupee, but it went at 9 rupee. At that moment of time, everyone, including me, should not feel that I missed the opportunity. Like, we should be happy with what we get. That's the conclusion. That's the only suggestion I can give. And follow the rules, signals, and be happy with what we. Thank you.
సుబ్బారెడ్డి గారు.
సార్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ అండి. చెప్పండి
సార్.
సార్ మీరు.
సార్ ట్రేడింగ్స్ అయితే ఎక్సలెంట్ గా ఉంది సార్. నాకైతే బాగా కాన్ఫిడెంట్ గా ఉంది సార్. ఇది వరకు అయితే కనుక 1 డే మిగతా 4 days లాస్ లోనే ఉండేవాడిని. ప్రీవియస్ ఇప్పటికి బాగా కొంచెం కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ వచ్చింది సార్. ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా భలే మిరాకిల్ చేశారు సార్. నిన్న అయితే కనుక మీరు ఎక్కడైతే టార్గెట్ పెట్టారో ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ అక్కడ వరకు లేచి రిటర్న్ వచ్చింది సార్ ప్రైస్. కాకపోతే నేను నిన్న ఒకటి ట్రైలింగ్ స్టాప్ లాస్ అని ట్రై చేసి నేను 5 రూపీస్ దగ్గరనే ఎగ్జిట్ అవ్వాల్సి వచ్చింది సార్. లేకపోతే నేను హోల్డ్ చేసేవాడిని టార్గెట్ వరకు. ఇంకా మళ్ళా ట్రేడ్ తీసుకోలేదు సార్.
ఏం పర్లేదు మనకి, ఎందుకంటే మనకు చాలా ఆపర్చునిటీస్ వస్తాయి. మనం ఒకటి మిస్ అయిన మన ఫీల్ లేదు. మనం డైలీ అంటే ఎప్పటికప్పుడు మనం న్యూ స్టాక్స్, న్యూ ఆప్షన్స్ కూడా మనకు ఫిల్టర్ అవుతా ఉంటాయి. సో వాటిని బట్టి మనం తీసుకోవచ్చు. మనం అరే ఇది మిస్ అయినమే అని ఫీల్ అవ్వాల్సిన పని లేదు. కాకపోతే the very strict rule we should follow whenever we are doing a trade. When after trading a trade, don't make any calls and don't attend any calls. That is very, very, very important rule. Because when the chart is moving up or whether it is falling down, so immediately if you have distracted from your trade, then definitely you will get diverted and you won't execute properly. Whether it may be an entry or whether it may be an exit. Okay, so during your trade period, just avoid all phone calls. That is a very important thing we should follow. Okay, whether not only phone calls, just don't argue with anyone or don't discuss with anyone. Okay, just to focus on your trade from your entry till your exit. Okay, that is the most important rule we should follow. Understand? And whenever you are satisfied with the profits, irrespective of the targets I have given, just exit. If you have taken 2 lots and if your principal amount is already taken out, okay, that means if your principal, you have enough profit of your principal amount of the 2 lots, then exit 1 lot and keep one lot for the given target, whatever the target I have given. Okay, just follow that one also. Right? Now,
okay,
I want to show you something. Granules. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
visible sir.
So first of all, I am hiding all the indicators and screeners. See, in 5 minutes time frame, when I have given entry, when I have given entry, this was the target I marked. Actually, it is in the money. The call is 470. I have taken this, and this is my target. Okay. Let me check if I have the screenshot before screenshot. See, in 1 minute, I have marked this. What is the price at the time? What is the low pivot created? Anyone? Pravina ma'am?
465, sir.
Actually, it is 468. Maybe it is not appearing clearly. So it is 468. So when the pivot
సార్ ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నానంటే ఇక్కడ అక్కడ రెండు కంపారిజన్ లో ఒకటి చెప్పిన అంటే ద లోయెస్ట్ పైవట్ సిన్స్ మీరు బార్ పెట్టినప్పటి నుంచి.
Okay. So actually, the lowest pivot is 468, and the time frame is 1 minute. You can see it here. I think it's not 1 minute. It is a 5-minute screenshot, but I marked it in a 1 minute time frame. Okay. So when I marked this, I marked this target. What is this target? 25.65. So when the option, whatever the option entry I have given, I think for this it is 8 rupees, I think. So when 8 rupees was the entry, for CE 500 I have given entry 2 rupees. Whereas for 470 CE, which I have not posted in group because it costs a lot. So that's why I have taken it. When the entry was at 8 rupees or 8.5 rupees something, then I projected this target. You see, what is the exact target? 29.15. 29.15. But I exited just after getting at some 2 rupees or 3 rupees profit, because at the time I get diverted. So when seeing some exit in 1 minute time frame, so immediately I exited. So after exiting, then I found out, so I have targeted it for 25 rupees. So I have cross-checked it, and it was true. The target I marked is 25, but till then I have already exited, only because I have diverted. So that's why whenever you are taking trades, just avoid the calls. Don't take any trades. Don't take any trades when you are in negative mode, or when you are discussing something with some other person, when you are attending some phone calls. Okay. That is a very important thing I want to bring to your notice. And I want to know how you are exiting. Only are you following only my targets given, or do you following any other method for exit? One by one, share your strategy, so that if anything beneficial to all of us, we will pick it. Otherwise, I will suggest one.
I have taken only one, and I strictly followed your SL only.
Any other indicators do you recommend for exit, not for entry, because our entry is
No.
perfect.
No.
Okay. Anyone? ఇంకా ఎవరైనా మీరు ఎగ్జిట్ ఎలా అవుతారు అనేది మీ స్ట్రాటజీ ఏమైనా షేర్ చేస్తారా? ఇండికేటర్స్ కానీ, టూల్స్ కానీ, స్ట్రాటజీ కానీ మీరు యూజ్ చేసేది. సో దట్ అందులో బెటర్ ఉంది అనే సెట్ ఏదైనా మనం అది ఫాలో అవుదాము, లేదంటే నేను ఒకటి చెప్తాను. Okay, let me share. Okay, so go to trading view, and search for volume per point. This one. Oh, okay. At a time you can apply only 2 indicators. So make sure you have only one indicator applied at the time, per point. So whatever your favorite indicator you are using, along with that, just add this screener, add this indicator, that is value per point. For this, just click on indicator and type in search value per point. Just click here, it will be added. If you click this star, then it will be added to your favorites, so that you can identify it very quickly whenever you are searching for it. Okay. Okay. I have added volume per point here. How many colors of candles you are seeing here? How many
5.
colors? Yeah, once again.
Nearly 4 to 5.
Yeah, can you please name
Yeah.
out?
Green, yellow, purple, I think, like brinjal color, and red.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right, good. So normally we have 2 colors only, that is either red, either green, right? When you added volume per point to your screen, then you will see 2 more extra colors. One is yellow and another one is violet. Okay, so when you added this indicator to your screen, to your trading view screen, then whenever you see the violet candle, if the high of this candle is taken out, that is entry. That means in 5 minutes time frame, we can see this is the candle, and what is this? What is its high? It is high. Its high is 20 rupees. So I think it is coming here. So here you can take entry. Otherwise, if you want to take a little bit risk, here you can take entry. So wherever this is closed, it is closed at 13.85. So here it closed. So whenever you see the violet candle, once it is closed, if the next candle price closed above or moved above this closing of this violet candle, then immediately take entry. Actually, the best method is just take the entry immediately after the high of this candle is taken out, but this high is very lengthy. That's why with a small risk, we can take entry whenever it is closed, whenever the next candle price moved above the closing of this candle. Okay, so if you are getting confused, so let me take the 2 rupees one only, that is 500 CU only, because everybody has stated that option. So that's why it become very easy to you to understand. See, here we see the violet candle, right?
Right.
When we have taken entry here at 2 rupees. So when we see this violet candle, and if the next candle is not closed above it, then immediately exit here. Here also we see the violet candle, but the next candle did not close above this. Did not close above this. That's why we won't take a entry here. The violet candle itself is acting as a trend changer. So whenever the high is taken out, that is the entry. Whenever the low is taken out, that is the exit, right? Next, what about this yellow one? The yellow one means the divergence. The divergence. The trend is moving up and here the yellow candle appeared. That means there is a probability that the trend may change. That means here the trend is uptrend. So whenever we see the yellow candle, that is an indication of the trend may change. Means whether it may fall down from the closing or whether it may move upwards. If you observe in the next three subsequent candles, immediately we have seen the violet candle. So whenever we see the yellow candle, that is an alert, we immediately go to the 1 minute time frame, and whenever we see the violet candle there, then immediately we keep the low of this candle as our stop loss. So let's go to 1 minute. So what is this time frame? We have seen it at 10:05. 10:05, 10:05, 10:05, 10:05. See, 10:05 candle means previously it was 5 minutes a candle, so probably 10:05 to 10:10, right? The closing of this candle. So here at 10:15 in 1 minute, we have seen the same violet candle. Here also you can see in 1 minute, we have seen the violet candle. The price has fallen whenever the high of this candle is taken out, whether it happens immediately or whether it happens after 4-5 candles, then immediately we can take entry. So this is our entry candle. Again, this is this warns us because yellow candle came immediately after that. We can see the violet candle. That means if this candle high is taken out, then only we can take entry. If its low is taken out, immediately we will exit. And coincidentally, if you observe at the same price level, that is at 6.75, another after how many candles? After I think 10 to after 21 candles, we can see in 1 minute time frame we are talking. We can see another violet candle in the same price range. That means this is the very, very, very important price level. So if we see violet candle 2 times within a range of 10 to 15 minutes candles, then definitely this range is the deciding price. Whatever the candle appear here, if it closes below, then that is an exit. Understand? See, once any candle closed above this, you see, till probably more than 50 candles. You can take it. More than 115 candles. The price has not come below this line. Right? So whenever you see the yellow candle in 5 minutes time frame, just go to 1 minute. If you see any violet candle there, then mark it. If price closes below, the closing of the candle is very, very important. If prices closes below, then immediately exit. Understand? This is the best strategy, I think, to exit. And you have to follow these rules only in the time frame you are trading. Suppose if you are trading in 5 minutes time frame, then you come down and check the violet candle in 1 minute time frame, or you can check it in 5 minutes itself. If you are trading in 15 minutes time frame, then whenever you see the yellow candle, then you have to come down to the next lower time frame, that is 5 minutes. If you see the violet candle here, this is your exit point. Okay, it happened at 10:15. Let's see. At 10:15, did we get any violet candle? 10:15, 10:15. So in 10:15, we can see only yellow candle here. But whereas in 5 minutes time frame, it is showing violet candle at 10:20. Okay. So whatever time frame you are trading, you have to stick to that, and you have to apply these candle rules to the time frame only. If you are trading in 1 hour, you have to come back and check in 15 minutes. If you are trading for 3 hours, that is positional, then you have to come back and check in 1 hour time frame. Otherwise, you can follow the same time frame. You can follow the same time frame, right? It is up to you. Got it? Any doubts?
అంటే విచ్ విల్ గివ్ us a double confirmation. I mean ఇక్కడ and అక్కడ కూడా lower time frame లో and actual what we are following that time frame also.
Exactly. Exactly. But lower time frame, so into lower time frames, what happens? You may exit early sometimes because you have seen that we got a violet candle at 10:20. But whereas in 15 minutes time frame, there is no candle appeared till 10:30. 10:30 and 10:45 candle. That means if we exit in 15 minutes time frame, we may exit around this price 5.60. But whereas here we exit at a 7.80 or we exit at 7.35 because the low of this violet candle has taken out. Got it? That is, we are more profitable when you are sliding down to the next lower time frame. Got it? But it is up to you. Right? Any doubts? No?
No.
Someone reply me. Okay. So in 15 minutes for granules, there is another entry opportunity is there. If this high is taken out, that means the price closes above 5.50. That means our entry is 5.60 or 5.55. And our stop loss is 4.55, 10 paisa. If you see in 5 minutes, there is no proper signal. In 1 minute, it is an entry. In 1 minute, already entry confirmed. See, it is entry. I would have taken entry here. And my stop loss is 4.55. Okay. So if you have access to this indicator, this is the recently developed one. So it become very easy to you. I have made some changes. One minute. Yeah. So this is the options. This is especially developed for options. This is called double bottom, and according to our rules, whenever we see the sell indication and if the price closes above the line where the sell has started, this is the black line I'm talking about. So whenever the price closes above, that means this candle, that is 2.35 is our entry. And coincidentally, we can see we got a buy signal here. And whenever we see a pivot, probably in the live market, the pivot has created here. So whenever the pivot created, and if the low of that pivot candle is taken out, that is this one or this one, could be our exit. In the live market, I am talking. Okay. So whenever we get buy, this is a fake buy because the next candle has not closed above this. Okay. This is the indicator. As of now, I am not able to provide you this indicator to you all, because if you have this indicator, the trading become very easy. Even you are trading options, it become very easy to you. It gives a very accurate buy signal, and it gives a very accurate sell signal. But to give access to you, I cannot provide the code. To give access to you, I have to take the premium membership, that is invite only script membership, which costs 5,000 rupees per month. So once our members increased, when we get enough money to pay the whatever the charges needed, then I will give you access to you. Understand? So wait for next 10 days or 15 days. Whenever we get more than 30 members, then I give you access to you all. I won't charge anything for this. If we get enough members, otherwise you have to pay 1,000 rupees per month. So my request is, so when you are making money, and when you are getting benefit from the strategies I am providing, just please spread the word. Let other people also get benefit from my knowledge. Okay. This is a thing we have to do. And another one here, I want to show you. See, you can see here I am saying this is the entry, right? In 15 minutes, I have said this is entry. For this one only. In what time frame we have seen? In 1 minute. Yeah. In 1 minute, I am saying this is entry. By observing the chart pattern. I want one more confirmation for this. This one more confirmation can be provided by this indicator. Here you see 55 RSI price is 5.5. Now the current price closed to 5.30. Actually, I think it closed 4.90, I think. In zero, I have seen that it is 4.90. So, okay, it's okay. Yeah, we can take it 5.30 also. So here it is showing 55 RSI price is 5.55. I said when the price closes above 5.60, I will take entry. Let's take 5.50. Right. So whenever the price closes above this, that becomes our entry. And coincidentally, if you observe, the sell black line also coming to this level with just a 10 paisa difference. You can see the sell has triggered at when the price closed above around 7.85, whereas the current price is 5.30. So it is giving when the price closed above 5.60, that is the entry. And coincidentally, the RSI indication in 1 minute time frame, it is showing that if the price closes above 5.50, then that is your entry. Okay, then where is your exit? In the, let's say in the same time frame we are taking entry and exit. So then this video will be provided, so you can observe the settings later. Okay. So 6.50 in 1 minute, 6.50 will be the overbought zone. That means that is the target. Till then, the price will move 6.50. And above 4.8, 4.80, that means this level, I think, this level, this candle, 4.80 is the entry. The confirm entry is 5.60 or 5.50. A risky entry, that is what we call risky entry, or taking entry at the very bottom, is 4.8. These figures automatically appear in the live trade. Let's see BTC. Okay, we have to remove one. In live, is it happening or not? Somebody answer me.
Yes, it's happening.
So if the high of this candle is taken out, that becomes our entry.
Yes.
If the low is taken out, that is our exit. So what is the overall trend? Because in 1 minute time frame, we cannot decide the trend, whether it is moving up or down. At least we should consider the 15 minutes time frame. In 15 minutes time frame, it is showing that it will be the up move. Do you agree with me or not? In 15 minutes, it is an up move, I am saying. Do you agree with me or not?
Yes,
Okay.
it will go up.
It will go up. This high, whatever the high we are seeing here, 64497, it will be taken out.
Right.
And somewhere few days before I have marked it here, and it is happening exactly according to the price lines I have drawn. Okay, let's come back to 1 minute and see whether it is happening or not. So once we confirm the uptrend or downtrend in higher time frame, so wherever the price come and a pivot is created, that means this is either this one or the current candle is our entry, and the low of this is our stop loss. This red candle, low of this, that means 64359 is our stop loss. Okay, actually I prefer to take entry whenever the price come to this level of this lower cloud level, lower layer of the cloud, and if a pivot is created, a lower pivot is created there, and if the high of this pivot is taken out, that means this one, this candle become my entry, and below this pivot is my stop loss. Okay, so this is the best way. So temporarily even the price may fall, but overall today in next 2 to 3 hours the price will move up. It may come here around this level and it will bounce back. Let's observe it for a few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. It gives the confirmation, then we will continue. C pivot is created. So if this high is taken out, that becomes our entry. If this low is taken out, that is our stop loss. The audio download అవుతుందా? Stop loss triggered. Six four three 25. See, around 4,644.38. Okay. This is risky entry, and another one is 438. See, this is a low. This is our entry. Yes, this is our entry.
And what would be the target?
Pardon? You want to
And
see the target?
Target, yes.
Yeah, 1 minute. Where it has gone? Where is it? The screener is not appearing. It is showing that it is applied to the chart. Where it has gone? Yeah. We have taken entry in 1 minute, right? So in 1 minute, 64,417 is target. 64,417. Okay, so we missed something. Actually, this is not the safe entry, it is target actually. In 1 minute, it is target and it is our entry. 64,417. Okay. This is the target and where is our safe entry? Safe entry. Sixty-four, 368. 64, 368. See, this is our safe entry. Okay. Now, the another topic today I want to cover is your attitude. Your attitude. That means I have read so many books about WD Gann and some other successful investors and traders in the history. So everybody believes that they know some holy grail, they know some secrets. So that's why they make a lot of money. They take a lot of money out of the market. This is everybody's belief. So to crack that secret, to decode their strategy, so many people followed different methods. Some followed the astrology, some followed the technical analysis method, some followed some other strategies. But finally, everybody has compromised in their theories or experiments. And finally, 1 minute. So finally, they said that 99% with the accuracy of 99%, nobody can predict. Even WD Gann may have not predicted, and this is the hype that is created about WD Gann in the history. It may not be the true. It is their conclusion. But in my observation, what I have observed, I don't believe whether you know 10,000 methods of or strategies. If you know, you will be successful in the stock market. You may be using different strategies, but I don't think they will assure you for 100% success. But one thing for sure, I believe that makes you successful in the stock market. Not only in stock market, in every phase of your life, in every category of your life, it make you successful. That is your attitude, how you are thinking, and how you are responding, not reacting. How you are responding to the things when you encounter some critical situations in your life. That is, in one word, we can say it, positive attitude. If you drop some idea in your subconscious mind, then all of the law of attraction students know that 100% it will manifest. But nobody teach you the exact method how you can drop the idea into your subconscious successfully. Because from your childhood, you may have read with so many belief systems that you cannot do this, you cannot do that, it is not possible. So many people have tried in the history, but they are not successful. Like this kind of belief system you have been read. But if you want to change your life, after a certain period of time, you have exposed with some good books, or you encountered with, you traveled with some other positive people or gurus, something like that. So by following them, you adopted the philosophy of if you take the responsibility of your life, then 100% it is possible that you can change your life. But when you try to change it practically, it becomes, it does not happen overnight. You won't be successful because you may face so many obstacles. You may face so many criticism, so much criticism. Then after putting all your efforts, there will be a phase. At that phase, you will quit yourself. You quit yourself because you compromise yourself with the philosophy of the society which has dropped forcefully into your mind. Then you get surprised even when you are trying to modify your mind, modify your attitude, why you are not successful. Then you may think that, okay, this is the way the life acts. So it is not possible to change your life. I have seen so many people like this. They think positively, they read some positive books, they mingle with some positive people, but at a period of time, even when they have encountered a single negative experience, then immediately they quit and they say that society is like this, society is like that, so everybody is like that. and it is not that much easy to transform your life overnight. It happens only to some people who has luck. You must be lucky enough to be successful. This is their philosophy, this is their conclusion, and they corroborate it with their experiences. They say that I have gone through these phases, I have used to think like you, but my life experience proves me that it is not possible. This is their conclusion. They say like that. They try to convince you, but never ever believe such kind of words. If you want to be successful in any phase of your life,
నువ్వు నోరు మూసుకో ఇంకెవరికి ఆపు వాళ్ళకి వెళ్ళి మీరు వారం అయితే అని చెప్పేదానికి ఎలా ఇద్దరు దిక్కు చెప్పు
ఓకే ఓకే చెప్తానండి, చెప్తాను. సో మీకు okay, so for that, one of the best method I have figured out to convince your subconscious mind, that is with music. So if you music with some positive lyrics, that is songs with some positive lyrics. If you hear some music with some certain frequency like 520 hertz, 480 hertz, something like that, then automatically your subconscious will tune to that music, and that creates a positive attitude in your mind. Okay, so if you can grab some positive affirmations, just grab it. Or if you can create your own positive affirmation for trading, like I'm a successful trader, I'm a lucky trader, I'm going to be very successful, like that, then you just repeat yourself whenever you are free, whenever you are going to sleep, or whenever you wake up in the morning. Just repeat it, and hear the music which is very positive, which has a very positive lyrics, like Govinda Govinda, Khatkam movie. In Khatkam movie there is a song Govinda Govinda, Bagu Chainan Govinda, something like that. Okay, in Hindi there is a song that aisa kaisa umko dilaya, aisa kaisa umko diya hai, mujhko bhi tu ishq kara de, something.
लिफ्ट करा दे अदनान समी.
Lift kara. Yes, answer yes.
Songs like that, if you continuously hear, if you hear that songs for 100 times in a day, then you can convince your mind that you are abundant, you are successful. When your mind, your subconscious is convinced, it will develop some neurons which are equal to, which are which are in sync with the frequency of abundance. Your subconscious, your mind will create some neurological forms which are in sync with nature's abundance. So whenever that kind of neurons created in your brain through your subconscious, through the positive songs you hear, through the positive music you hear, through the positive attitude you maintain, through the positive words you use whenever you talk with someone, whenever you need to respond in some critical situation, whenever you use that kind of attitude, then 100%, even in the stock market, they will pop up before your eyes. Somehow they will pop up. Here I would like to share one of my experience. Recently I got a call from one person who follows my system, and she asked me whether is it right time to take entry for which one, Chandan Fat, what it is. Chambal Fat, yes, it is Chambal Fat. I will show you. 1 minute. See, recently I got a call from one person who follows my recommendations. So she asked me whether is it right time to buy Chambalfurt. Okay. So I have seen the chart and I said, okay, it is entry and I have given some entry price. And from there onwards, it has been moving up. And while checking my tools, I have developed, these are pure astrological tools. So these are the stocks. They are in top position for investing. These are the topmost stocks which have the very favorable aspects astrologically. So you can see the number one is Chambalford and another one is BPL. If you see BPL, in daily time frame, we get a buy indication according to our indicator. Are you able to see the yellow buy? Everyone here, it is
Yes, sir.
Yes, we
yellow
can see. Yes.
So this is the coincidence I am talking. So whatever she asked, so it is appearing in the topmost position. And if we see the Chambalford also, it become the multi-bagger stock. See, here we got the violet candle. Here, the high is taken out on the next candle, and it is our entry. And you see, if you have taken entry around at 430, the high is 574. Within 1 week, it has happened. This is the coincidence I am talking. And I want to show you one more thing. While observing these tools, I have observed this. The next one is Cuba Chind. Cuba Chind something. Cuba Chind. So when I have observed this, the chart was like this. It has been falling from so many days. It has been falling from so many days. That is from 7th December 2023, it has been falling. So anywhere I did not see the entry signal here. When I see this, I suspected myself whether the system is giving the accurate entries or not, because it is showing that it is going to be the multi-bagger. But whereas according to the logical thinking, according to the chart appearing here, it is nowhere appearing as an entry. So after few days, you see what happened. Within next 1 week, see this low also taken out. But immediately it reversed and you can see the price now, right now. So if you have taken entry around 380 something, and you see in 1 week or 10 days, the price is 512. See, once if the price does not come below this tunnel, then 100% the price will move up and it will become the multi-bagger. It will become the multi-bagger. Okay. So if you maintain such kind of attitude, somehow you will attract the things which are in sync with the abundance. which are in sync with your thinking, your attitude, your frequency. Okay. So think positive, and if you have, not if you have, 1 minute. See, this is the website I'm talking about. Here, there is a wonderful feature that is create. You just log in with your Gmail account. You log in with your Gmail account and enter any text here below 200 characters, like I am a successful trader. I make profits every day. Huh? I am grateful to the market and the pioneer of the history. I love market. That is my guide, guru, philosopher. And, so something like this, okay? And if you click on create, see, the song is ready. We have given the lyrics. Now the song is ready. Let me play and tell me if you are able to hear the song or not. Every morning around the market in mind, profits stuck so high, grateful to the skies. Market my guide, my friend, my pride, pioneers in history. You shaped my destiny. I love the market, this I say. Trading brings me joy each day. Market gurus here to stay. Philosopher friends all the way. Charts, candles, telltale. Win or lose, set myself. Market whispers, secrets clear. Guiding me without fear. Gratitude never betray. Success in prices play. Market's wisdom never fades. And it's written my way. I love the market, yes I say. Trading brings me joy each day. Market gurus here to stay. Lots of reference all the way. Charts, candles, tell the tale. Win or lose, I set myself. Market whispers, secrets come, guiding me without you. So, guiding me without you. So, guiding me without you. So, guiding me without you. Gratitude. See, this is another version of the same song with the same lyrics or some modified lyrics. And here you can see the lyrics. Okay. And now tell me, how is it?
Very, very nice.
సూపర్ సార్, చాలా బాగుంది. మనం ఏమనుకుంటున్నామో దాన్ని విత్ మ్యూజిక్ మనం రోజు వేయగలిగితే ఇంకా బాగుంటుంది.
Exactly. So I want you people come up with your own lyrics, because just now, just during the class, these lyrics popped in my mind and I typed there. So think about some good affirmations, lyrics, make some songs and post in group. The website name is suno.com, and there is a premium membership also. But as of now, per day we can make 10 songs for free. So if it is necessary in future, we will take it. Okay, as of now it is not necessary. So come up with your own lyrics, whether it is regarding the market, or whether it is regarding some positive thinking or personal development, or body exercise, whatever it is. Just make some good, just post some good lyrics there and share the song. See, I forgot to share one thing. See, once the song is ready, click on these three dots. From your mobile also you can do it, and click on download and select audio. Okay, so the audio will be downloaded to your system or mobile in MP3 format. Right? Right? Any doubts regarding this session?
No, I don't have any.
Okay. The conclusion is, if you have the right mindset, if you have the right attitude, then obviously it will represent and it will reflect in every phase of your life, and especially in stock market. Stock market and your portfolio is nothing but the representation of your thinking, your attitude, your acts and deeds, and your karma. If you do good, 100%, you will get 100 times and multifolded that good in your life. Okay? Sare, then if there is no doubts, for next 5 minutes, I would like to continue in Telugu, so other people can also understand that. Any hands stop. Mintuji.
Yeah, please go ahead, please.
Okay, so I'm stopped the recording and I will